Hey guys, I just want to do this quick review on these Pop On Veneers. I've had them for about 2 weeks now. I didn't want to do a review as soon as I got them just to make sure that I liked them and it was comfortable and I knew exactly what I was saying. But I'll tell you what, these things are absolutely fantastic. I hated showing my teeth, and I'm going to show the world my teeth now. This is a big step, so I hope you appreciate it. But I don't have, the whitest teeth in the world. And I have, when my teeth sit on top of each other, my bottom row is pretty crooked, and my bottom row kind of sits off to the side. It's not a great look. So I work with the public. I talk to people on a constant basis, and I finally got a compliment yesterday. Some guy asked me, "How do you get your teeth so white?" And I didn't lie. I just told him, I said, "Hey, you know what? I got these great things called Pop On Veneers, and this is what I did to get them." And he was really impressed with them because they look really great. So the fact that he didn't notice that they weren't real kind of made me happy. So I'm going to pop them on for you real quick, show you the difference, and I'm sure you'll agree that these things are great, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and pop on the top first. Now they come in this great little case here. All right, they come in this case with a little mirror so you can see. Do this one-handed. I'm going to do the bottoms first, okay? Okay, I'm going to do the tops. All right, so now my new smile is in. I practiced talking with them before I did this review because at first, it's a little different, but look at the difference, guys. Like, I feel super confident smiling. They feel real. They fit right over my teeth. They clip right in to my pre-existing teeth. Actually, I'm missing some in the back, and they actually gave me an extra 2 teeth, so one on each side on the bottom, and I literally just couldn't be happier. It's not a drastic change in the shape. They still look a little off, which gives them the natural look, but the whiteness and the way that they sit on top of each other now is, I love smiling now. Sounds funny, but I just love how I look now, and I've been wanting to do this for a long time. So if you guys are thinking about Pop On Veneers, if you're hesitant and all, this is a true to life review. I promise you that. I have nothing to gain. I really love them. Here's a close-up. Some people decide to eat with them in. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to preserve them for as long as I can, but I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you.